how are you? Come on in. Hi YouTube, I'm Stacey Taylor Smith, and welcome to my home. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope everything went well for you today. I'd like to show you some fall decorations in a new home. Over here in this area is my lovely wedding photo. My husband and I just got married 5 months ago today, actually. Okay, and all these decorations will be down as of tomorrow. That's our dog Carmi in the background. He does not like being stuck and sequestered back in the bedroom. Come over this way. My husband is a surfer, so we have that lovely wave up there. And even though we did not host Thanksgiving this Thanksgiving Day, we still made sure that we had decorations up because it's really nice. All right, our house, we've had it for about 3 months now. Okay, so we are getting things together. We still have a long ways to go. This is our patio area where we entertain. We have had one dinner party so far, right, babe?
Yes.
We've had one dinner party so far. I hope to have many more. So this is where we entertain. It's really open. The kitchen area is very nice. And we have a cabana bath over here. We have our nice patio area here. This is where we come out and chill. We have our dock out there. We have our neighbor's boat, not our boat, okay? Come right on here. And this is where we make all of our grilled food. And this is my exercise bike. We call it the Minnie Mouse. Come right on in. And here we have our TV room. This is where David reads his book every day, facing the canal. All right. And so we do have still some lovely decorations in here. Again, we did not entertain this Thanksgiving, but maybe we will the next time. That's our lovely picture of our wedding day. And so, like I said, we just moved in 3 months ago, and we're really loving everything, and things are coming along just splendidly. Come on this way. We'll go back through, and I'll show you the rest of the house. David is a very nice musician. Plays pool, like I said before, plays piano, and one of his nicer passions is surfing. So we had this surfboard commissioned by a lovely artist called Freehand Dan, okay? Very colorful character. So come on to the back. I want to show you a little bit more. My most favorite part of the house. This is a nice little nook that we have, indicative of our lifestyle. David with his surfboard. Some sand, all right? Come on this way. Now this is my pleasure palace. This is my treatment room where I do facials, makeup, and I will be doing my YouTube videos right over here. So I got everything situated, so hopefully within the next coming days, you will be seeing me. I will be giving you tips on makeup, skincare, and just positive everyday vibes and advice. So yeah, I hope you liked everything. Let me just show you a little bit around the room. We got our nice area here where all of my makeup is kept, and some pictures, some flowers. We have this desk here, totally refurbished desk right down here. Ring lights all around, so the room is well lit. Mirrors, everything. So it's really nice and cozy. And yeah, so you will be hearing from me pretty soon. A couple of videos a week. So I'd like for you to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you soon. And Christmas decorations will be going up tomorrow. So you'll be getting a video on that coming in the near future. All right? Have a great day.